Recently, more than 2,000 defense aspirants have had to face many problems that have resulted from lack of proper facilities and arrangements that were to be made by the State District Administration in coordination with defense personnel of the 58 GTC and Mawlynrei, Shillong. Sources say that the aspirants who belong to neighbouring states as well as different districts of Meghalaya had to make do with little or no infrastructural and other basic arrangements and even had to eat from local stalls that were forced to open 24/7 to cater to their hunger pangs. The headman of Mawlynrei, or Pengrop, had spoken to reporters yesterday to inform about the various irregularities that existed during the recent army recruitment drive in the area. Pengrop said that while the district administration had erected only one tent and three temporary lavatories for the hundreds of defense aspirants, it was not enough to meet each person's needs. Therefore, the Dorbarshna of Mawlynrei had to erect more of such structures, while residents of the locality cooperated with authorities by providing shelter in balconies of their homes, so those who had to wait in queue for registration could relax for some time.
Jing sisya kini ka army rally ka kat kumpicin keren u recruiting office jong army bat ka state government galong ba kin kondak ya ka rally tang na banda gi khna state jong te hau archar kat khandai kala adon ka rally ka berkiwan tang ki khna state le jong kam dadon ka jing khamnya sinong atang ka ten ka berkilapan kre na district administration na terpor ka keluar nama simit ki wansa dang kumba si pau ngut ar pungut itu te ka jabo ka jaban ka dunia te mentaru ka jingi keren bat ka state government bat di army adang bakla ki kamtit bagi government official kadi tangban recruit ya ki kena samla jong state la jong di handai mentang wat ki board jong na district administration ru ki khalam tip ba bu army bu khat sai ki district ki ba border bat ka Meghalaya na du Nagaon Morikaon Vishwanath ka Tezpur Sunitpur Hadusan district te kasinong jong iru kam dari ka bakelut ka jakaban penbiang ya kani ka jakasa jagatia jagadem khamtam ka shabar ka jingde shabar ka jabo jaban ka lik durut lik pangkhana te kumbalong mentaru isisngi kumba khatsan spa ngot arajar ngot kiwan ki candidate tigi don sagi parlok projor le sekin poi wi kunta khatsan spa arajar bawan si singi aga ni ka sinong jongi te nadu ki toilet ru na kaliang ka district administration ki dang penchina tang laitli ti laitli ki pankhana banong ban penbiang penbit ya ka jingwan ki beriu khatsan spa ngot arajar ngot kala de ka jing bakla kani ka liang dei laknu ki la de ban sutu lupa preng jing karen ba state government official but ki army official bakin penbiang ya kini ki ten lani ki jakalik road lek bar ti mentati ki tu ki khana ki bawan na asam na du sunitpur na po morigaon na gaon kilawan thiang ni singi ti kabam ru ki hap chuya ti dukan ki mdade bubun ti ka ki la chuya sa ki yeng breu ki baranda ki samkali ki yeng badang sina ti mentang i nama naga jingu ju ginong yo snong bakala jabo pala ngimban si naga liang sinong bangin hap arrange kini atli ki ten ban like jabo ka jabanya ya ka sinong ka tham ti ngim lali chui namar ba kapor ka la jankut menta bar stiu ka dika recruitment jong u jong district na Assam tingi hak ban chu yele kat bala nama bangin pensange i kani ru kam sia chui bangin pa jing to ik district administration ni se ki bor bade pet jong state government ru kan mentoy chui tingi la ban chu ya persiang kat bala na kalian kan bor sinong bangin akomodit banten biang ki Apa ini ba tu kadang ka minus kapa ki dalam meeting apa DC office kam siang ladan ganu banong ba kasinong kan kit ini kitai na maria kani ka bentang na kaliang district administration kila IT lu line department ka lalu PG PWD municipal board police te ya kasinong isu ang tang ba just for information tang ban chu pentip ban coordinate ban ya terengkat di ngai iba pengni baro ka nong ka igi ba klemda penkre klemda plan lupa nama katsang spa arjal banwan kibriu kamde shu kam ga ba suk bangin shu ong le la kalik kumtu thia ga thia kat apa pendu apa yo jaka ni ga jing ban ong bensiat ka sinong i ta ki ai nama ka sinong le ta bensiat kan dan i ga financial bisa ni ka ban pendidik kita dan masih tu lah yo bandan kita nga try ka lab don ka lapses ka jing bom biang nomor balong kaptan spa arajar ngun la de ban long plan gan ya ka ba kimut ban ya ka mar kini ki kena de kumbang re ki lada kiwan na still jong kiwan be ladaka recruitment rally ka sedang arbiji ti kiwan ladu jante he zawes ka sil sari boy kiwan be khatbe biji khat arbiji kimi na kali kile bi apo ulan ban le ka screening ya kani ka tai te ki khana na still jong kam dawan ra ka jinge ingi namar ba kiwan tang itu timing kini pat bapli ki bawan na do asam kilawan pa kini pe kini khna be bedo nang ni muta kin le rali hadu arbuji te kin sang ni bro isni kin hable charu chabar kin hable ka yu tingdon kam jong ki tinga i long kam don ken ka plan kam don ka plan proper plan ka plan paka ban le kumi kini ki rali